Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix the Spotify no internet connection. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So if you head to Spotify and you can't play any of your music because there's no internet connection, there's a couple things you can do. The first thing you can do is head to settings in Spotify, go to data saver, and make sure data saver is turned off. And then you can just reset your app, open it back up, and see whether or not your music is working. Another thing you can do is head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search up for Spotify. Once you have found it, you want to make sure there isn't an update. As you can see, there is no update. It'll give a little icon like Apple Music would, because Apple Music needs an update right now. Finally, the last thing you could do is head to Settings, scroll down to General, click on iPhone Storage, and then wait for it to load. And you can either search by scrolling down or clicking the search bar at the very top right corner. You then want to look up for Spotify. As you can see, it's right here. You then want to offload the app. All this will do is free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data, so it means you don't got to worry about any of your data missing. Once you have offloaded the app and then reinstalled it, you just want to reset the app, open it back up, and see whether or not your music is playing. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying for 2,000 subs by the end of the year. I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.